Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create reports in Zendesk. All right. So first thing that you need to do here is just go ahead over to the left panel and click on reports right here. Click on it and just go ahead and click on take me to explore. All right. If this is your first time setting this up, it will take some time for Zendesk to review your account. And after that, you'll receive the same exact email. All right. I just left it overnight and now I can go ahead and click on get started right here. I'm just going to click on get started. Right here, you can see, welcome to Zendesk. Just go ahead and click on get started. Just hit on done. Now let's just close this one. All right. Now go ahead over to the left panel. Now click on reports right here. Okay. Just click on it. Hit on done. As you can see here, we have a ton of reports right here that is already made. All right. But if you want to create one, go ahead and click on new report. If you want to try the beta, go ahead and do so. If not, just click on not now. Okay. Here, as you can see, we have these filters: support, guide, chat, talk, answer bot, and omni-channels. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to create a ticket about support or support tickets right here. Just going to click on this one. And here's the data set, support tickets. Click on the drop down for the data set version and select what is needed. Okay. Once done, scroll down. As you can see here, we have these metrics: tickets, solved tickets, and user submitted tickets, all about tickets right here when we click on support tickets. All right. Talk and calls, you have a separate report for that. Okay. I'm going to go back to support tickets right here and hit on start report. Wait for it to load. Close this one. Here we have the metrics in the left pane. Just click on add tickets. This one, solved tickets. Just go ahead and add to whatever you want. Okay. Created and solved. Apply. Wait for it. There you go. If you want to add some columns, go ahead and do so. For example, requester, username, and requester ID, and also the email. Hit on apply. Wait for it to process. There you go. Add in some rows if you want to, like the time, date created, and the time ticket solved, date as well. Hit on apply. Now explosions right here, if you want to add some, go ahead and do so. For example, assignee last sign in right here, just the date. Okay, hit on apply. There you have it. That's basically how you make a report. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and customize it. Just click on chart configurator right here. Colors, for example. This one, I'm going to change it to like this one. Now click on the back button. You have calculations here as well. Okay, if you want to set it up, go ahead and do so. And the visualization type, all right? Could be a bubble, column right here, or table. Even pie is available, radar, and a waterfall. All right, once that's done, just hit on save. It says here report saved. Click on add to dashboard, save. If you want to export it and send it to someone, just click on the drop down and click on export. If you want it to be saved as image, all right, click on this option. If you want it to be a CSV, click on CSV as well. If you want it to be on all format, tick all, then make sure that you select the preferred quality. Okay. This one, for example, hit on export. And the 3 file types is now preparing to download. Just wait for it. Download page will pop up. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Right here. It's done. Right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.